So my family has owned the franchise for 15 years, and I'd say my dad has probably been going on 30 years. My name is Matt Schos, and I work for a ServiceMaster team out of North Richland Hills in the Fort Worth side of town in Texas. My most memorable claim experience I would say I had was in the water damage field again. Called out to service upstairs, downstairs loss on a pier and beam house, and was able to just provide the customer with a lot more knowledge and areas that got affected that they didn't even think about where the water traveled. Helped her with her claims process since they had never experienced a flood. I think they were first-time home buyers and had no idea what they got into. They just figured ServiceMaster was going to come out, extract up all the water, and they were done. They didn't quite understand the process of us bringing in air movers to get things dried out and the science of drying that we use. And by the end of it all, they were extremely happy with us, and I think they start using us now too just for carpet cleanings. Helping homeowners is trying to just restore their peace of mind in disasters, because we go out there and their house is flooded and they don't know what's going on, and just trying to walk them through the process and get everything put back to normal for them. We're in the business of helping people, and that's how my parents raised me, was to just help people as best we can.